This is my AR Wing Pro, and I've upgraded the ailerons with the balsa wood because the original stock ailerons were so soft and they were twisting when I put the ailerons up. You could still twist from the sides, so the sides were flat and the middle were up, which I don't like because I'm gonna make it a heavy aircraft by putting two 6S 2700 milliamps batteries, two of them, and this is going to be very heavy, more than the recommended weight of the manufacturer. And I've put everything else in the back, the ESC, the flight controller, and up on the top of this lid is the GPS. And I've kept everything in this bay, and the rear bay, and the front I kept it empty. And I'm gonna put a GoPro in the front, so it's going to be a heavy aircraft. And plus this VTX is also very heavy. Not very heavy, but it's heavier than the other VTXs. This is the AKK 3000 milliwatt transmitter. So it sucks a lot of juice because of the fan, and so that's why I have to put more batteries for very long range flights. So this is the crossfire in the top right front, and it looks so nice. These ailerons, these are just normal servos, the 9 grams. This is 2807 motors, 1300 kV, and I'm gonna put maybe 7x4 or 8x4 propellers. I'm not gonna put the folding because the folding propellers are so heavy because of the metal hub in the middle. So far it looks also pretty with the balsa wood ailerons, and I'm thinking to paint them yellow as well. So this is going to be an interesting aircraft, and the rest of its family is sitting right here on the wall, waiting for the lockdown to finish. The bottom one is set up for 1.3 gigahertz. My old helicopter, which I haven't used for the past 5 years since the FPV started. Since the FPV took over, I used to fly only helicopters then. When I got hooked to the quadcopters, which is there, now DJI, I never touched the helicopters. And when I flew one of the wings, just for fun, and I got hooked to the wings as well for the long range. Not just flying over the park, but for the long range. I always intend to do the long range, which is very interesting for me. I don't like just flying over the park. So the long range is my thing. And proximity flight is with my DJI quadcopter. That's the Tyrannus sitting there. Okay, let's go to work now. It's 6 o'clock in the morning.